Ever wonder what kind of text can instantly put a smile on your boyfriend's face, even on his worst day? Whether he's stressed, busy, or just needs a reminder of how much he means to you, these 15 sweet boyfriend texts will warm his heart, brighten his mood, and make him feel deeply loved. Stick around, because just one of these could totally make his day. Let's dive into it. These texts are heartfelt, thoughtful, and sometimes playful, so you can mix and match depending on your vibe and your relationship. Number 1, just wanted to remind you that you're my favorite person. No one else even comes close. This text is simple but powerful. It's a direct hit to the heart, making him feel special and valued. It's specific enough to feel personal but not over the top. Send this randomly during the day, maybe when he's at work or school, to catch him off guard with a warm, fuzzy feeling. Number 2, I can't stop thinking about how lucky I am to have you in my life. This taps into gratitude, which makes anyone feel appreciated. It's sweet without being sappy and shows you're reflecting on him even when he's not around. Send this after a great date night or when he's been feeling down. It's like a virtual hug. Number 3, you make every moment better just by being you. This is a mood lifter, telling him his presence alone makes your world brighter. It's not about what he does, but who he is. Use this when he's had a rough day or feels like he's not doing enough. Send it in the evening when he's winding down, so he goes to bed with a smile. Number 4, I'm so proud of you and everything you're working toward. Guys love feeling supported, especially when they're chasing goals. This shows you're paying attention to his efforts, whether it's his job, a hobby, or even personal growth. It's encouraging and really builds him up. Send this after he shares an accomplishment or when you know he's been grinding hard. Number 5, just saw something that made me laugh and instantly wished you were here to see it too. This one is playful and sweet, showing he's on your mind in those everyday moments. It really creates a sense of shared connection, even when you're apart. Perfect for a random moment during the day, especially if you're both busy. And follow up with a quick description of what you saw to keep the convo going. Number 6, you're my safe place, and I hope you know how much that means to me. This goes deep, touching on emotional security. It shows vulnerability and trust, making him feel like your rock. Send this after a tough day for you, to let him know he's your anchor. Evening or late night chats work best for this one. Number 7, I'm counting down the hours until I get to see you again. A little anticipation goes a long way. This builds excitement and shows you just can't wait to be with him. It's flirty and fun, perfect for when you're about to meet up, or if you're apart for a bit. Try sending it in the morning before a planned date, or when you're both busy but have something to look forward to. Number 8, you always know how to make me smile, even when I don't want to. This gives him credit for being your mood lifter. It's light but meaningful, acknowledging his ability to brighten your day. Use it after he's done something sweet or funny, or maybe after a small argument to smooth things over. You can send it after a fun text exchange to keep those positive vibes going. Number 9, I love how you make me feel so understood and cared for. This one really hits on emotional intimacy, showing he makes you feel seen and valued. It's specific to his impact on you. Send this after a deep conversation or when you're feeling especially close. Evening texts are great for this, setting a warm tone for the night. Number 10, you're kind of stuck with me and I'm not mad about it. So yeah, playful and cheeky. This is a fun way to say you're all in. It's lighthearted, but honestly, it shows commitment. Send this when you're both in a silly mood or maybe after some banter. And hey, toss in a winking emoji to keep it flirty. Number 11, I don't say it enough, but you make my life so much better. This is like a gratitude bomb, acknowledging his impact on your happiness. It feels authentic and heartfelt. Send it randomly, maybe on a weekend morning, just to start his day off right. Number 12, just thinking about your laugh makes me smile. This one is super specific and personal, focusing on something unique about him. It's sweet and shows you're paying attention to the little things. Send it when you're apart for a few days or feeling extra sentimental. Midday, when he's in the middle of something mundane, works great. Number 13, you're my favorite adventure, and I can't wait to see where we go next. This is romantic and forward-looking, framing your relationship as an exciting journey. It's optimistic and honestly builds anticipation. You'll want to send it after a fun shared experience or when you're planning something together. Evening or weekend texts really amplify that dreamy vibe. Number 14, I'm so grateful for the way you love me. This one is pure appreciation for his affection, and it totally reinforces your connection. Use it after a moment of closeness or, when you're reflecting on your relationship. Late night texts make this feel extra intimate. Number 15. You're my person, and I wouldn't trade you for anything. This is a bold declaration of love and loyalty, making him feel absolutely irreplaceable. Send it on a special occasion, like an anniversary, or just because you're feeling a little mushy. Sending it at night gives it that maximum heart-melting impact.